When we speak of encryption, we speak of three things. The plaintext, which we wish to encrypt to keep its confidentiality. The encryption algorithm, which we will look later on. And the key that is used to encrypt the plain text. As we said, the keys must be shared between the two parties, and they must be kept in a secret place. No one should know what are the keys. If anyone knows the key's value, then the key is not secret anymore. Nowadays, we use digital bits as keys. Let's see how we generate a random key using OpenSSL. So we have a function which is rand, as in randomize. We'll generate an 8-byte keys. As we will see later on, keys or encryption techniques usually works in two ways. They either encrypt in blocks of data, which are usually 64 bits or 128 bits, or stream ciphers, which encrypt 1 byte or 1 bit at a time. So we need to make our key the same size as our block size. So we will use an 8-byte, which is a 64-bit key, and we will generate it in hexadecimal characters. And that's it. That's our key. We can generate another key, and we will use later our keys to encrypt a plain text and send it over the network. The other side should gain the two keys or one key so we can decrypt the file later on. In modern encryption, we use bits as our keys. So it is always two. A bit is either a 0 or a 1 to the power of k. K is the key. So in the case of a 3-bit key, it is 2 to the power of 3. So we have 8 possible keys. So if an attacker finds the cipher text that was encrypted with a 3-bit key, he has 8 possible keys to look for, to brute force. We call it a brute force attack. He tries out all the possible keys. And that is easy. But if we have a 10-bit key, then we have 1024 possible values, key values. That is also easy. Let's look out and see what is a 64-bit key as used in DAS and other encryption algorithm using a calculator. So I'll use a shorthandy app, which is BC, and 2 to the power of 64, and that is the key value. It is zillions of possible values, which will take hackers quite amount of time to decrypt or to brute force the key. Knowing the algorithm, nowadays 64-bit key is not considered secure, so we use much more, much more secure keys, and we can see what is the value of a 128-bit key. It will take years, hundreds, thousands of years to decrypt the key.